yo, yo. What's happening, peoples? What's up? What's up? Look at gold. Hold on, let me turn the music up a bit. What's good? What's good? What's good? Wowzers. So, in case you lot didn't know, why is gold pushing like this? Let's talk about it. In fact, let me wait. Who's up in there? Who's in there? Let me wait for some people. Ali! What's up, Ali? What's good? What's good? Benny? Benny? What's good? Gold's going off? Yeah, man. Gold is moving. Gold is moving. I wasn't sure about where gold was going to go today until I started to see some headlines. And now I'm like, yeah, we should get some nice gold buys. You hold the buys? Good job, man. Good job. I actually thought you got stopped out. Did you move your stop loss or you just... it didn't hit your stop loss? I wasn't sure. I think I asked when you was on stream, but you, I don't think you were here. Because it dipped quite low. You still hold it? Nice. Yeah, well, we're moving nicely now. Look, they're talking about ending the negotiations, which has been very bearish for DXY, as you can see here. DXY has been very bearish, and then gold, everything against USD has just been pushing up. Like literally most pairs have just been going crazy. So we've got gold that's pushing, even GJ's been pushing, GBP USD, look at that, Euro USD, you know, it's been looking nice and bullish. So let's see if that continues. So yeah, it's really just based on war stuff, which is always good. Ending the war is bearish for DXY, bearish for USD, and therefore bullish for everything against that. Only thing that's not going up right now is NAS. In fact, let me look at the other indices. Let's see. I want to see. I'm looking for options. US 30 is going up. S&P is taking its time, but it's getting there. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna keep it on a bit of gold, a bit of NAS. Alright, so gold on the daily. It's been a very up down week. Look, Monday was bearish, Tuesday very weak bullish, Wednesday bearish, and now today we're bullish. So we've broken yesterday's high. I do think we have a high probability of continuing up. You know, I do. How far up? My first target is 45.70. Well, not first target, but my furthest target is 45.70. Back up to this daily resistance that's been holding for the past couple weeks. 4 hour, 4 hours already broken highs as well. It's looking good to continue up. So first road bump, or first area I think we might get a slowdown is at 45.26. So a couple hundred pips away. I want to see if gold holds here. If not, then 45.41. But if we can keep going up back to the top of the range, and yeah, 45.70 is where I'm anticipating gold to go. So yeah, let's see now. I'm gonna split this screen so I can keep an eye on it over here. Wait, what's this? So this IC markets chart was actually freezing earlier, so I'm not going to be... I don't know what's going on with TradingView, but I can't deal with these brokers freezing. Like, the prices are freezing. It's just not cool. Not cool at all. They gotta get that sorted out, don't they? Don't they, guys? But anyway, how's everyone's morning been? I think I saw Ali put you put your chart in the Discord, right? I'm gonna throw it up. Sellers almost hit my 5k stop loss yesterday. Oh yes, yeah, I did this. I'm just seeing all the messages. So let's see. Okay, yes. Yeah, it was very close, very close. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so you're aiming for 4595. That'd be a real nice hold if we keep going. Real nice hold. Do you think we can get there today, or do you think it might be just, you know, gonna have to hold into tomorrow? Check again. I got you. Let me copy this. Oh yeah, you're right, because this was sent a while ago. This is moving nicely. I got you. Ooh, that looks juicy. So, and you're trying to hold all the way up. Do you look for things? Is there something that you might see that will make you get out of a trade early, or do you try to hold to TP, like as close to TP as possible? Because that, to me, that's a very long hold. Might not be, might just be today, but that's a very good conviction. Okay, you'll just take something if... Okay, cool. Got you. You know what? I liked this pullback here. Like, this was a really nice breakout because we had a closure above, retested Asian highs, flipped bullish again, and then pushed. Beautiful move. You want to hold this? As long as they keep on saying this war is coming to an end, you know, gold is gonna rock it, isn't it? Gold is gonna rock it. I don't even know where I'm gonna get in now. I feel like the entries have already happened. I might have to start looking at some other pairs to get an entry, because this is gone. This is a nice move, real nice move. So you're up what? Nearly. I can't even calculate that. 530 pips, Ali. Real nice. I know Gold Pippin's gonna come in here in some crazy buys as well. Beautiful. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds. Let me just, there's just something I need to go do quick while the price is pushing. In fact, yeah, give me 2 seconds. But I just don't see where I could get in now. Honestly, like, where do you get in now after this? All right, give me a sec. Alright, what's this little pullback we're doing here? Gold? What's this? I mean, it's not even that crazy, is it? Not really that crazy. This was a decent bottom wick too. This candle here. When this candle opened and dropped, look, 70 pips. Like normal for gold. Wait, how big is this pullback right now? This little drop. 60, 67 pips. Yeah, that's not even that bad. It's actually not that bad. Not that bad for gold anyway. As long as DXY is coming down, you know what I mean? We're still looking at more gold buys. No trade for me today. What, no more? Oh, you mean earlier? But this is like the one that you've been holding. Yeah. London session was very wicky, like Carl said. It was very wicky. It's true. Liking this pullback. 130 pips. How far do we think this is retracing? Hopefully not too much. But do you know what? It's not even bad. This is good because if price is going to continue up, I want price to continue up. So I wouldn't mind a bit of structure. Do you know what I mean? Just a little drop, create a little support and then come back up. I was expecting this buy and missed the whole move. I got in and closed the trade before it pushed. I feel so angry. Ah, this was a huge break. A huge break. But look, I mean, it's coming back down. You might not have missed it completely. Mike, good morning, good morning, good morning. You're up very early today. This is a massive retracement. Huge retracement. Huge, huge, huge. How far back do you think this is gonna go, guys? Is anyone not in buyers but want to look to get in still? And if so, where do you want to get in? Me, I don't want to see it come all the way back down to Asian highs because we've already tested it with this candle here. I just don't want it to obviously break this low. How big is this candle? This candle is 320 pips. So it's retraced pretty much like 50% of that push. In the first 5 minutes, we still have 24 minutes for this candle to flip back up and push. Finally, the index pulled back as I've been waiting for, and I took the long position I've been anticipating. Yeah, yo, this, the way, is that my door? Way DXY respected this. Oh. Yeah, the way DXY respected this box, this rejection area, and pushed out of this zone. Yeah, nice. It's kind of like a fake out. Kind of like a fake out. To me anyway, it seems a bit like a fake out. Do you know what I mean? Because we haven't been able to close above this area, and then as soon as we did, we pretty much sold right back down. So love that. Love that, love that. All right, so we're gonna flip back up. Flip back up. Maybe we're gonna see some structure on the 5 minute. Yeah, man. Ali, where you at? Now I was wondering if gold can hold above 4,500. I think it can. I was expecting a bit more of a reaction to 4,500, but it just obviously cleared 45, and now we're getting that pullback. I'm afraid. Good afternoon, Finny. I can't read your name. You got to give me a nickname to call you. That's a very long name. Very long name. Finny Hassel Tiffinus. Wow, where are you from? I'm afraid to take any trades now because the news, something doesn't feel right. It's just going to be a lot of there's going to be a lot of swings, just because obviously it is because of the news. Like, they're saying they're in the middle of negotiations to end the war. Cool. Right now we're just getting a reaction to that. We don't have anything specific to say it's happening. It's just a reaction to the headline. When we get the agreement signed, which they still said to sign an agreement, to get the agreement signed and locked in, it's going to take up to 2 months. So we still have that period where, you know, things could be up or down. So I don't have a strong bias. I don't have a very super strong bias. I don't know. I'm just taking each day as it comes. Taking each day as it comes with gold. This is a massive pullback though. This is a huge drop back down out of 4,500. Can we close up here, guys? Can we? Look, man, we've broken yesterday's high, which should, you know, that's usually very bullish. But we have broken yesterday's low too. From Nigeria. Cool. I think I read that already. I was one that tells you I'm a beginner. Oh, yes. That's right. Huge pullback here. Oh, wow, we're jumping now. We're skipping, jumping and skipping. Look at this candle, 200 pip. Oof. This is a massive pullback in what, 12 minutes? Good day. I'm new to the stream. I'm watching from South Africa, Cape Town. Appreciating the content. No, glad to have you here. Welcome. What pairs do you trade? We kind of look at gold, a bit of NAS, occasionally pound yen, but GJ's been a bit slow recently, so not really so much GJ. Been a bit unfaithful to pound yen. Oh look, why are we pushing up here? Gold and NAS and GJ. Okay, cool. Cool, perfect. How you been finding GJ? GJ's been it's a little bit slow for me. You know what I mean? We had these weeks of, not weeks, well, would it have been weeks? All of this here, this noise, that was no good for me. No good for me. And GJ does this often. Like, we have a long period of heavy consolidation. That's why I'm very, very on and off with pound yen. This was a while back. Like, just sideways. Yeah. And then we keep getting the yen, like yen intervention. The Bank of Japan, they keep on giving us, I don't know, they keep saying stuff, and then we get massive drops. Alright, so how far do we reckon gold's pulling back, guys? Is that it? Are we done? This has been a huge retracement of this push. Very big pullback. Ali, you still holding, yeah? You're holding to the moon. Said you don't. Ali said he's still holding. That's a lot of conviction. Benny, you don't trust gold? Yeah. I know, man, I know. It's just so much volume, isn't it? Gold really swings. But I mean, look at this 4 hour. I think we do refill this wick. Like, we do push up. It will continue buying. Yeah, I think we go up. I think we're just having a bit of a reaction to 4,500. But I definitely still like the buys. Do you think we push? What would be great is if it closes weak bearish, like very weak bearish. We push back up. We get a long bottom wick. And then the next candle gives us a nice push. I tell you, Mickey, gold is king. Gold does this thing for sure, you know. Can't deny gold. That's where most of my money's been made. Probably where most of my money's been lost to, you know. I think it's the pair I've probably traded the longest. Sure. Come on, 15. Give us some structure. Don't just keep dropping. I want the 15 to create a support to then continue back up. Like, you know, flip bottom wick, flip bullish, close, and then maybe get in on the next candle. I want to see this structure. Alright, guys, give me 2 seconds. Well, give me 1 minute. I'll be back. No, maybe not 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'll be right back. What? Yo, 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 I know I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. I had to go downstairs real quick. Where's my water? I'm here. What's good, Haroon? What's good? What's good? What's good? Morning, Sky. What's good? What's good? What's good, guys? What are you saying? What are you saying? Gold's gonna hit 4,600 today. 4,600, guys? Anyone with me? Yeah, I don't know if it goes that high. I don't know if it goes that high. My thing is, if gold doesn't push like all the way back up, yeah, if it does push but not all the way back up, I'm looking at the structure of these 4-hour candles and I'm thinking, like, if it doesn't want to continue up, we've got this going on right now. If we close below here, we could like create a lower high and then come back down. I hope that's not the case, because what we're going on right now is Trump saying we're going on Trump saying they're close to an agreement, but it's Trump saying that. Oh my god, yeah, this ain't good. Look, the US is in the middle of final negotiations, yeah, and then look, Hezbollah chief rejects the outcome of Lebanon-Israel direct talks. Like, oh, we refuse any link between our presence and a ceasefire or Israel's withdrawal. Ceasefire must include all of Lebanon. Negotiations with Israel are shameless. Yeah, so that was quick. So exactly what I was going to start talking about. How we get a headline saying, yep, the war's soon over, and then we get a headline right after saying, actually, it's not. Yeah, so I don't know, man. I can't take it. I take it with a grain of salt, a pinch of salt. It's a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. But if we can close above 4,500, I think that's great. I think that's great. You haven't done much, waiting for NFP outcome. Yeah, I don't know how I don't know what NFP is gonna be. How impactful NFP is gonna be today. Thinking buys from 81. Oh, so you want a little drop before it goes up again. Not today, on Friday. I meant NFP on Friday. Oh, come on, gold. Where are we going? Go up. Go on, go up. So I was anticipating this 15-minute create a nice strong bullish candle, and then maybe buys on the next candle to retest these highs here and keep going. But I don't know, man. I don't know. If it's weak bearish, we may get a drop, a bit more of a drop. No, I'm not focused on the 15. This is not my time. Not my time frame. I was hoping this 30-minute candle would close very weak bullish and then give me a continuation pattern to push up. Been mocking my mates who are Arsenal fans. PSG saved football on that. We got robbed. Like, some of them calls, some of them those free kicks and shit, that was really bad on the referee's part. When you see a compilation of it all together, it just looks insane. But you know, if that's what PSG need to do to win, you know. Get a push. Go on. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Give me a good push. I want a very weak. I would love for gold to close at least just a longer top wick. I would love for the bottom wick to be longer than the body, and then potential continuation pattern. World Cup 10 days. Oh man, World Cup's gonna be so fire. World Cup's so fun. Apart from, I'm not really a fan of international fucking football, but World Cup is lit. Sky, what's the plan for Naz today? What were you thinking? I'm not sure. Like, for me, Naz is not looking clear. When something doesn't look clear, I kind of just write it off. What I do like though is the fact that it's having a pullback, because up at these all-time highs has just been crazy with no pullbacks. So if it does give us a little pullback now, that's amazing. Looking bearish, yeah, it is, isn't it? It is. Nice little drop. Still marking up. Oh, hold on. The neighbors are fighting. My neighbors are wild. Oh, sorry guys. Stream the fight, I should, innit? They're like Romanian. But they are so wild over there, man. So wild. They're new neighbors. Bought a house on the street. Wild how? Like, when they first moved here, I have like at the top of my street, I've got shops, like little convenience shops or whatever around the corner, and there's like this wooden fence at the top of my road, and I saw the new neighbor just break a piece of the fence, just literally just grab the fence, break a piece off, and then just take it back to his house. Just a piece of wood, just broke the fence and took the wood. I was like, okay, can't leave nothing around these guys, you know what I mean? I was like, yeah, this is what we're getting. Cool. Just broke the fence. Just a piece of it as well. Nothing big, just a bit of wood. Took it into his house across the street. Gold. I swear. Saw it with my own eyes. Are we still looking for buys, guys? We still looking for buys? As long as we respect this low, I think we can still get a push up. As long as we don't break 4491. I had a little gap. Got a little gap there on my broker. my IC. Yeah, look at that. What's that about? Gapped up a bit. You see it? Little gap up. Okay, fill in the gap. Now swing. It's weird. Push, push. 15 didn't close bad. Kind of wanted a bit of a stronger candle, but I don't mind this. Go on. Clear 4,500. Let's go. We out of here. We out of here. This one. I can see buys on gold. Yeah, I do want buys on gold. I do. I would like it. I just don't have a nice setup down here. I'd love a 30-minute setup. It looks better on the 15. It's better on the 15, but 15 is not as reliable for me. Really, the entry I should have took earlier was this the Asian highs retested. After this little breakout here, price came back down, retested. I should have taken that. You want it to come down first, Tarun, then buy back up? I don't even want it to come back down. I want it to just go. I want it to just keep going. This candle right here is enough for me. Look at this. Look at the size of this. 220 pips. Huge move. Huge move. Boom, push, push. 4 hour has a change of character to the upside. What, on gold? I think so. I mean, yeah, this gold does look bullish. I just want to see how this 4 hour closes and how the next 4 hour opens. What the next 4 hour does, because yeah. A closure in the 4,500 would be great. Yeah, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Oh. This is a struggle push though. Damn. Every time it gets to 4,500. Having a hard time. Maybe that 5-minute candle had to close off that little gap that it created. Ooh, weird little gap for no reason. Rosie likes the buys. I like the buys too, but I need the buys to buy. Haroon wants the pullback before the buys. Ali's already in this. Oh, Ali, where's your trade gone? Friend of the show, Ali, he was in some really nice buys that he had me put up. Yeah. No, went. I don't know, man. Struggling. This is Ali's trade that he posted in the Discord. He got a real low entry. I don't know if price goes all the way up to 600 though, 4,600, but you know, would be nice. Now where's all the volume gone? Now we decide to slow down. Good thing is we don't have any news today. I'm happy about that. I'm actually happy about that. Fact, no, that's a lie. We have unemployment claims, but that's meh. I think that just came out actually. Did that just come out? 1:30? Thursday. Unemployment claims, yeah. Bad numbers, which should also be bullish for gold. What am I sure about? Remind me. What was I saying? You gotta remind me. The news. Well, unemployment claims. That's it. In terms of everything else, like, you know, it's gonna be like war headlines, isn't it? You can't really predict when those are coming. Yeah. So yeah, this unemployment claims. That's it. And this is weekly news as well. But this ahead of NFP is not gonna have much impact. So I'm back to 501, then 502, stay in the 4500s. And we are just not pushing. I wonder if it's going to be like one of those late pushes, you know, when it just takes off towards the end of the candle. Maybe the end of this 4-hour candle. Oh, come on, Goldie. Be nice to us. Give us a move. Benny, what are you saying? You like this? I'm loving US 30 this morning. What's going on? US 30 is pushing, isn't it? I think I looked at US 30 and it was pushing. Yeah. Oof. Double continuation patterns. Oof. Ooh wee. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks very good. They're still going too. Oh yeah, it's out of here. All right. You see, once you see this pattern, yeah, you don't stop seeing it. You just don't stop seeing it. And that's on the 1 hour. Nice, 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 nice. DXY is pushing up a little bit. Oh, maybe that's why gold's taking this time. I trade that as well as NAS. Yeah, US 30. It just, when I first started, it just always seemed like a crazy pair to trade, and I think it was because of the price. Like there was nothing out there that was priced like US 30. Do you know what I'm saying? Like 51,000. 51,000. That's like trading, for me it's like trading Bitcoin at the time. So that's, I just saw the numbers and I was immediately like, nah, let me slow down a little bit. Let me slow down. I just didn't feel like I was experienced enough. I probably could now, but I mean, if I've already got something similar like gold, NAS still has big moves. But I like the fact that NAS doesn't move like US 30 and the S&P. You know what I'm saying? They could be doing one thing and NAS is just doing it completely something different. Yeah, I like that about NAS. So that's why I chose NAS to be my third pair. Bad, press the wrong button there. Oops, oopsie daisy. Come on, gold. Come on, up from here. Up. This is what I wanted to see on the 30-minute. Just this. Pull back, support, push back up. But it is not giving a drive up. Oh, did I speak too soon? Go on. Go on. 501, then 502. It's not having it. It's not having it. Go on. 502 now. Alright, now 503. There's low volume. Yeah, compared to these last two 15-minute candles, yeah, gold is definitely chilling. I mean, this move up was 230 pips. Guess it came back for this bottom wick. I don't really pay attention to the wicks on the 15, to be fair. shoot, the chat's gone. So I changed the scene by mistake. My bad. What's Naz doing? Naz is pulling back up too? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know, man. Gold, what were you saying, Gold? What are you saying? I was nearly accepting not taking any trades today. I was very close to saying, you know what? I don't think I'm going to take any trades, because when London session looked like this. London session was looking like this. I said to myself, oh yeah, nah, like there's no direction. We're pushing down, respect to the support, pushing up, but a very tight range going up. I was thinking, okay. And then all of a sudden, boom, huge breakout. Eugene, I was expecting price to pull back to 45.50 area before the bearish push, but push before that zone. I wonder if price will revisit that zone, break it with a wick range and push lower. So you think gold is gonna might push up to come back down? Right where we had this little gap to start the week. Pull back to that area though. I mean, just based on the daily candle, I wish it hadn't broken yesterday's low, but it's still not the end of the world. It's still not like the worst thing to have happened, but we broke yesterday's low pretty early, and now we've broken yesterday's high. So for me, there's a higher probability that we are going to continue up. I'll just be looking out for just 4-hour resistances now. Oh, we're moving. There we go, back up. Yeah, just looking out for these 4-hour levels now. Take that off, that's old now. Gold. It's the push. See, I was not expecting, but I was hoping that the wick would come back up. Do you know what? Until Carl asked me in the Discord, I didn't realize how much I actually said wick fill. But yeah, I was hoping it'd come and refill this wick. Yeah, this is good. Refill, maybe a push up. What do you reckon, guys? We make it up to this 4-hour resistance. I want it to get to as close to this resistance as possible. Bottom wick, break the high, continue pushing up. That would be like the ideal move. Oh, message. It's not bad. Later. Does anyone here trade with any prop firms? Anyone trade with any prop firms? And have you received a payout from any prop firms? I'm talking recently as well. Damn, gold. Oh, bueno. Gold is normally bearish around these months and goes bullish for August push. I don't think it will go bearish today. I have noticed this price action with gold before NFP. I had blue 5. Alapex didn't give enough time. They don't give enough time. Oh, you had a time limit on it. No, because I have someone that's using, I'll do a lucid. Okay. No, I have someone that's looking for is that futures? It's not futures, I presume it's like normal CFDs, Forex. Yeah, I had someone that was trading a prop firm, and then she got hit with a breach. When she requested her payout, they said she breached her account. I hate when prop firms do that. It's so unfair. It's happened to me before, but I made noise. I make noise in the Discord. You're gonna hear me every day. You're gonna hear me every day. I was on their Trustpilot. I was in the Discord. All of that. They even changed their They even changed the information on their website. I think a lot of people were complaining about the same stuff. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. These hidden rules that they have. For me, I pay attention. I read all the rules, and then they try to throw these in, throw little things in. Like, nah, show me where it says that. Very sneaky, very sneaky. But I don't trust these little pop firms that pop up anyway. There's so many now. There's so many. Probably best one to stick to is FTMO. It does cost the most, but it probably is the most reliable in terms of payouts. Alright, so perfect. 1 hour continuation pattern, maybe. Blow on the gold, Mickey. I don't even mind gold closing like this. I would like if gold closed like this because get nice continuation patterns continue up. Very weak I wanted it to I was kind of expecting it to happen on this 30-minute candle, but it didn't pull back enough. But if it happens on a 1 hour, I'm good for that too. Good on that too. 1 hour would be great actually. You know, very weak bearish candle, and then we go off. Let me show you guys the other sides. Let me show y'all the other side of that. Hold on. Search. Strategies. So you got the bullish side. You want to see something like this. So we got a very strong bullish candle, weak bearish candle, and then the next candle we should get a nice push. Now this strategy, it pretty much works if you have a nice strong trend. So you want to be trading in the direction of the trend. What's that candle looking like? It's looking kind of something like this. This is what it looks like. This middle one here. Yeah, look, so strong, weak, yep. Hasn't broken the high, so next candle, bottom wick, break the high, keep pushing. That's the pattern I want to see. Why are we coming back down, gold? It's not the plan. Messing up the plan. Push back up, push back up. Go on, push, push, push. Entry wise, either when price breaks this high, 45.14, that would be like a safer entry. A very aggressive entry would be getting in as soon as this candle opens, but I don't really do that one as much. Any pattern on NAS? No, I don't see any patterns on NAS. I don't even see like a head and shoulders. I know it looks a bit like a double bottom, but I think that's already played out. Flip bullish, push up, let's go. We need Goldie. We do. Gold is being annoying, but it's good that it's pushed like this with no top wick. Not much of a top wick. Give us that bottom wick first, and then as we create that top wick, give us a good drive up. Taking the flip. Hey, you're a brave one, Benny. You're a brave one. You're a brave one. Oh no. I like it. I do like it. How big is the stop loss? $130 pip stops. Too bad. Damn, look at that thing go. As sales look official. does. Nas has got a nice bearish structure. Only thing I don't like about Nas is this right here. The fact that it's bounced off a 4-hour support. I can't. It's very difficult for me to see sells on Nas. Like it's because it's so bullish. It's very hard for me to see sells. So every time I'm looking at it, I'm looking at a place to get into some buys. Do you know what I mean? But there is a bearish bias because we needed that structure. We've created like a bit of a resistance. We broke yesterday's low, so I can understand sells, but because it's counter trend, I'm looking at all sells as short term. It's all short term, so I find it very hard trading against a trend. Closed 50 pips on gold. Did it get to 50 pips already? Ain't no way. Wait, it got to 50 pips that quick. Did it? It got to 63-ish pips. Say no more. Okay. Okay. Facts. Facts. Open it, retest 4483 for the push up. 4483. It's a decent pullback. Look, these 30-minute candles, they're not breaking previous highs. What did you do before trading? I used to work in a jewelry shop. I used to buy and sell gold, borrow against it. I used to buy and sell currencies as well. For a short time we did electronics, but like just like game consoles. It was kind of like a pawn shop, but a high-end pawn shop. So yeah, my official title was a pawnbroker. yeah, so that's kind of how I got into gold in the first place. Well, it is how I got into gold at the first place. But back then, gold didn't move like it did now. Like, gold was not moving as much. I still talk to my old colleagues, and from what they're saying, like when gold had way back, when gold shoot, how long ago was it? Let's go to months. Is Mickey your nickname? Yeah, it's my nickname. My full name's probably very similar to yours, Mike. Yeah, so I was when I started working gold, it was around here 2015. Gold was like, yeah, 1300 per ounce. And then when price pushed up to here, no, when price pushed maybe like 2019, we had to change all the prices of the stock because we used to sell gold as well, like sell jewelry. So when price pushed, we'd have to reprice everything, like pretty much by hand. And then price kept on moving, like it was up down, we'd have to keep repricing. And I left about 2022. It was a couple years after COVID, maybe 2021, 22, something like that. And because I've been trading full time for about 2 years, maybe coming on to 3 years. Yeah, so now every time price keeps going up, they keep having to change the price. When it goes up, when it drops, I'm so glad I'm not in that business no more because I already know what they're going through. It's the worst. Imagine you've got like thousands of pieces of stock. Is it the runner's strategy you used earlier? Is it the runner's strategy? If I don't have a runner strategy. I just, when I get out of trades, I usually close my runners at like 50 or 100 pips. It's most of the time it's based on structure. So if I got into this here, if I got into this trade, I'd look to close my position, close partials here at the resistance, and then let the runner run. But it varies depending on price action, but minimum would be 50 pips. My nickname has a story behind it. I'm called Bear because my family calls me that. And 1975, my birthday, I'm Old Mickey. Okay, I'm not gonna call you Old Mickey. my dad would be Old Mickey or Old Mike. Guy, what are you saying for Naz? You thinking sells at 928? Or you thinking buys? Trend does look, it's the daily is very bearish. I don't know if Naz has the strength to flip and push back up. But the fact that it's holding at this support is giving me bullish vibes. But you know, every day I'm on bullish vibes. Gold is relaxing though, man. So we got a nice little bottom wick for this 4 hour now. Obviously, if it doesn't break this high, I think we get a bit of a pullback. So this is kind of what I was referring to earlier, that if we close below this resistance, that there's a possibility that price could continue down. Something like this. You know, for confirmations of that happening, obviously this 4-hour high can't be broken. I would want to start seeing some bearish structure on the lower time frames first. But yeah, you know, closure back in the Asian range below 4482, 4484 even Asian highs. So yeah, and then I could think that we're gonna sell some more. So I need obviously like things to line up, some more confirmations of that happening. Sirens regarding a hostile aircraft infiltration were sounded in the northern area of Hinita. So they're still at war. Okay. What's DXY doing? DXY still having a bit of a pullback. DXY, this is not good for our gold buys. Maybe it's just a bit of structure because it has just been falling all morning. Big drop, big drop. Kind of like Nas buyers, you know. Maybe I'm biased. Maybe I'm biased. Maybe. Benny, what do you think? What do you think? Nas buyers? Maybe H4 support holding, right? That's what I'm thinking. That's the only thing that's making me think buyers. But other than that, the structure is quite bearish from these highs, and we did break yesterday's low. So I'm in two minds. But if gold buys or if Nas buys, then I think gold follows. So I kind of want Nas to buy just so gold can push. I can't believe all the volume's just been sucked out of gold now. No volume left. Shoot, that's it. Got the good, 2 good pushes, 2 good moves, and that's it. We're chilling. Nah, this can't be it for the day. We have to get a good, like, I think we get something at NY. NY needs something. NY Open. Maybe after NY Open we'll get a little something. Right? It's a little something. Come on, this 30-minute. I would want it to break this high and keep pushing. It's just not pushing. What's it waiting for? What are you waiting for? As looks good to buy, you know. I'm not gonna lie. Where's Sky at? Sky, where you at? But Sky wants sells. 4 hour. This 4 hour breaks this high. I think we can get a good push to 45.26 if we can break this high. We're not that far off it, like 60 pips. This is not that bad. This is not that bad. If we create a lower high though, on the lower time frame, like on a 30-minute, if we actually start breaking lows, then I think we're going to get a massive pullback. Your decision, Gold. What are you telling us? I see a sweep below on Nas before buys. Okay, Sky has spoken. Okay. Sells before the buys. It's moving very slow. Market open volume. These wicks. This is not looking good. Come on, break. Just break. 7 minutes. Why that 3 minutes there? I do not use that. Get rid of it. Six minutes for me. Alter your trade, so you're gonna hit sell as soon as this at 9:28. You're a brave one for that. You said you follow the trend, right? So trade the direction. Like looking to see if there's anything I can see on gold. Not really, to be fair. Nothing really. Apart from this little support holding here, which was a good, nice little sign for pushes up, but that happened. I even traded this session, so there's no way for me to have seen that. Guys, I'm gonna go to the restroom before this news comes out. I'll be right back. If it's already below previous day, you think it means continuation. Usually I do look at the daily candle trends. So if a daily candle has broken like the previous daily low, for me it just increases the probability of sells. So yes, I guess yes would be the answer, but it doesn't always it's if the market is not trending in that direction, then it doesn't necessarily mean that. Do you know what I mean? Like, I mean, look here, we broke this low and then ended up pushing back up and being bullish, but generally that's what I will take it to mean, that we're going to continue in that direction. Yeah, so that's kind of how I read that. Like if I'm looking for buys or sells, I'm thinking what's on my side for the buys, what's on my side for the sells. Dailies breaking lows, dailies making new lows is like definitely on the sell side. Obviously bearish structure. What else? Like 4 hour resistances holding. all of that would be very bullish for me. All right, give me 2 seconds. I'll be back. How long we got? 3 minutes? Yeah, I'll be back. Ah. Right. Now selling already. Okay. Okay, Naz. Nasty Naz. Naz ain't playing no games. You're in? Okay. Naz does look like it wants to drop, doesn't it? Naz does look like it wants to drop out the sky. It's like teasing for market open. Oh lord. Oh, top Wick, just out of here. Gold doing not a thing. Come on, gold. Don't get left out, gold. That's fallen. Gold chilling. DXY doing DXY still kind of pushing up a little. I don't know if like these top wicks on gold, especially on the 30-minute, if we don't clear those, I can see gold pulling back. I actually can see gold pulling back. As bullish as I want gold to be, like, we're just not driving up much. So I can see the drop before the push, if it does want to push. Maybe that news was just a reaction, do you know what I mean? And that's it. Rather than changing the trend. We are not breaking this 4-hour high. You're out? Oh, damn. In and out. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Was it good? Was it profitable? Snatch those pips? Alright, gold, you next. What you trying to do? Trying to do, Goldie? That's whipsaw so much. Nas came right back to this 4-hour support again. Right to this 4-hour support. I can't fuck with Nas, man. Nas is so annoying. Trying to do. See if Nas can get back over 3,300s. Maybe not. Maybe not. Is that it? That's the little push up to come back down. You know this thing likes to swing. Oh, is gold finally gonna break? Finally? Finally gonna break gold? Come on, this has got to be it. This has got to be like the move that breaks the high, or at least fills the wick to then break the high. What do you reckon, guys? For Nas buys now? Hey, I mean, if Nas can push, I think gold can push too. I don't think I'm gonna trade NAS today. I do like the buys. I actually do like the buys, especially like from here. I actually do. I just don't have a setup. I don't have a setup. Look at the structure right here. Maybe if after market open we close above this little minor resistance here. Gold can close, if NAS can close above, then I think I can get some continued buys up. Yeah, that makes sense to me. That would make sense. But I need more than just, I need a bit more. I need a bit more. Oh, gold, are we pushing? Are we pushing gold? All right, gold, give me something. Give me something, gold. Give me some. Give me some. I don't know if gold wants to give me an entry though. Oh. Gold does not want to break this 4-hour high. We're pulling back. That's the way I'm looking at it right now. I'm gonna see how Nas closes though. Give Nas a minute. Ooh, Israeli forces withdraw from South Lebanon. That's a good thing. That's very bullish. That's very bullish for gold. Are they finally chilling? That's good for the war news anyway. DXY. So maybe DXY was just creating that structure. That's good. That's what I was hoping it was doing with this little pullback. Alright, now I just need some confirmations on gold for more buys. Oh. Is gold rejecting this 4-hour resistance? Not 4 hour, sorry, little 30-minute resistance. Alright guys, I think I'm lining up for sells, you know. I think I'm lining up for sells. And I'm only saying that because we are not breaking this 4-hour high. We have, look, we've come up 1, 2, 3 times these top wicks. If we cannot break this 4-hour high, I think we're gonna get a pullback on this 4-hour candle. But I don't have a setup yet. I do want to see like bearish things. So maybe 4-hour lows being broken first, a closure below this 4-hour, this little not 4-hour, I keep saying 4-hour, this little 30-minute support. We can close below. If we don't, if none of those things happen, then the buys are still on the table. I will sell from 45.20, 25 area for a pullback. Sell small sizes, tester trades. I don't know if the zone will hold because I'm looking for a reaction around 4550. Yeah, you've been talking about 4550. So my first area that I'd be looking at is 45, like up here. This be the first place I'll be looking for a bit of a pullback, nothing crazy. If price does push. Damn, Sky, you might be right on these nice sells. Oh wait, are you taking buys? Alright, Goldie, we telling us we breaking the highs? We out? We out? We out? Or are we in? What are we? Seem to be confused. DXY is not doing much either. Oh man. We might be getting these very chilled summer trading sessions now. Apart from the occasional reaction. Oh, did we pop? Are we popping? Is this the move? Are we gonna break this high? Oh, did we break it? Look, these 30-minute candles still respecting lows, breaking highs. Is that you? Is that it? Is that the start? Start the push now? Ooh, I can see gold popping now. Pop. Pop. Are we out of here? Oh, why does it keep pulling back? No way it's gonna sweep the high and come back. No? Why is it struggling so hard? Looks like Naz is ready to drop though. Come on, gold. If Naz drops, you know where you gotta go. You know where you gotta go to. I like none of this price action today. Like any of it. This is not nice price action. Pop, 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 pop. Man, all the people in buys, you guys have so much patience. So much patience. I feel like this is what I get when I'm in London session. I have to wait, wait for the move to continue. Do you know what I mean? Like we pushed up during Asian, then London, I get all of this noise, little pullback. And then NY, I feel like NY into NY open is the same. A little pullback. But I think we push. Alright, 12 minutes for this candle to close. Let's see what the Owanda candle looks like, because you know this candle sometimes. Huge candle. Savagery. Yo. Do not leave a long top wick again. Please, gold. Please. Don't do us like that. What are we looking for, guys? I know a couple, right? So Eugene is looking for the push up before the drop. Or for a reaction, I say before, not before the drop, for a reaction. These markets, they're chilling so much. All I'm thinking about is this food I'm having later. That's all I'm thinking about right now. What's on the menu? So it's gonna be fish. It's gonna be fish today. So it's between salmon or prawns. If it's not salmon, it's prawns. If I don't eat the prawns today, I'm gonna have it this weekend. Either way, it's gonna be good. I mean, got Besant testifies at House hearing on Treasury Department priorities. Okay, Scotty. Okay, it's his job to communicate the US president's economic policies, and his speeches are often used to signal policy shifts to the public and to foreign governments. We might see a little move then. Depending on what he says. What are Trump's policies? I don't even know what Trump's policies are. I don't think I want to know, man. Trump is just a mess. If he cares so much, he wouldn't be messing with Iran and oil and all of that crap, you know? Hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. How long we got to this candle closes? 7 minutes? Yeah, give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, are we pulling back some? Oh, let's move. Da da da. Are we rejecting? Are we rejecting? Nah, this might just be the little pullback. You know, before this market open candle closes, price moves a bit crazy. I think that's all that is, you know. I'm not gonna lie. I would love a pullback to get into more buys. Well, we are falling though. We're not closing above 4,500s. Are we pushing? Ooh. All right, someone said, I think it was Ayla. Ayla said 4481, I think. 6 hour candle is still bearish and has not flipped, so I'll be careful taking buys. Price could push down before flipping bullish. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a pullback. I wouldn't mind a pullback. I said 6 hour candle. How many time frames do you guys use? More than 4? I use like maximum 5, but really I use about 4. How many time frames do you guys use, would you say? Yeah, now you gotta go count all your time frames. My 5 would be daily, weekly, 1 hour, 30, rarely the 15. Rarely the 15, but I look at it, so I'm gonna count it as something, you know what I mean? That's because I do look at it, but I don't use it much for analysis. All right, we're gonna hold this support then. You use 4 H4 to M15. You don't use the daily? You don't use the daily? Rarely. Say no more. Say no more. Minutes, 3 minutes till this candle closes. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? The 6 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 20, 10, 2 minutes. Enter trades on the 4 minute. Wow, Eugene. Wow. You stopped using the 4 hour. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 time frames. How do you keep up with all of them? I think that's my thing as well. I don't want to have to remember or analyze like so many time frames. That's probably why I don't. Do you know what I mean? But wowzers, wow. That's impressive. That was a little jump gold. You're gonna flip bullish right before you close. Look at this 4 hour. Maybe it's just making a longer 4 hour bottom wick. Did it even make a longer 4 hour bottom wick? I don't think it did. Actually didn't. Just came and retested the low pretty much. DXY push, not DXY, NAS pushing up. Oh, guys, are you ready for NFP tomorrow? Are you ready? Are you excited? I really like NFP. I do. I like NFP. I like CPI. They're not as wonderful for me as they used to be back in the day, but man, I've called some banging moves on NFP and CPI on stream, but this would have been like a couple years ago. Like when I first started, I was oh man, I wasn't as cautious then. Do you know what I'm saying? I used to just, yeah. Okay, so we close below. Maybe retest, flip bearish, drive down some more. Yeah, I like a pullback. I like a bit more of a pullback. I do. I wouldn't even mind price coming back down to oh shoot, no. Ooh, I kind of want to get in. Oh damn. Oh, good thing I didn't. I would have been in drawdown. Do you know, let me not force it today, man. Let me behave. This is very tough price action. I nearly got that. I nearly took that. I was this close. Now I said I wanted a bit of a I wanted a closure below here for the pullback. I was like this close to getting in. This close. I didn't have my right lot size up. Oh shit. That might be a sign. Dare I? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna call it here, guys. I'm gonna call it here. Thanks for joining as per usual. Man, it's a shame we didn't witness this move. All we got to see was this crazy pullback and then this sideways price action, which is quite annoying. Nas is still ranging. Let me Nas is just ranging. Let me see. Nas is very sideways. DXY. Little jump down. But yeah, I think we get a bit of a pullback. Maybe retest Asian highs again and then come back up if that's what gold wants to do. That's not what I wanted. Wanted that. Yeah, gold wants to continue up. Don't mind a little pullback. Yeah, that's it. This is decent. Got a small breakout, very tight range, little breakout, drop, and then continue up. We'll see. All right, guys. Eugene, save capital. I will not take this pullback. I will not take this pullback. Take buys instead and sell higher with structure confirmation. Yes, yeah. Do you know what? That's a very smart idea. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna chill. But you know, at the end of the day, I'm gonna go back, review what's happened. You know, depending on how the day ends, and then yeah. See if there's anything I could have taken if I miss anything. But I'm pretty good on this price action. Like I'm not really too bothered. I was always cautious of this 4 hour creating that lower high to come back down, since we didn't come back and revisit this old resistance. So I want to see how that plays out. I'm very curious to see if this 4 hour does come down, because again, this news was just reactive. This move was just reactive to that headline. So is it enough to change the trend? Maybe not. DXY is still pushing up. Yeah. All right, guys. Peace out. Thanks for joining. And I will see you guys tomorrow for NFP. Can't wait. Actually, cannot wait. Cannot wait for NFP. Good old NFP. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.